We will install MySQL Server on Arch Linux. We will also install Workbench, both packages in their latest versions available. The first step is to open the terminal and update the system, making sure the package databases are fully up to date. We run yay-stks MySQL. If you don't have yay installed, you can install it first. This lets us see available versions and repositories. Using chaoticor is recommended to install binaries, but compiling from AUR is also possible. Arch includes MariaDB. Above, we can see the Workbench package in its latest version from the extra repository, including recent security updates. We install MySQL using pacman to get the binary package. Any conflicts with MariaDB libraries must be removed. Then we run the server initialization process. This provides a temporary password that must be copied carefully for later use. We enable MySQL with systemctl and start the service. We verify the service status to ensure it is active and running. It is highly recommended to run MySQL secure installation. Here we enter the temporary password and set a permanent one. Logging into MySQL with sudo will fail because it does not use auth socket. You must connect using urootp and the password. Once inside the MySQL console, it is also recommended to create a user for Workbench using the new caching SHA-2 password. We grant the required privileges to the admin user. Then the permissions are loaded into memory using the flush command. We install the latest stable version of MySQL Workbench, which is available in the extra repository maintained by Arch Linux. Next, we launch Workbench from the menu. The default root connection appears. We connect and receive a version warning. We continue, and the Workbench application opens successfully. We test it by running a query to display the current databases. We create a new connection for the admin user, keeping localhost as IP, the default port, the admin user, and password. We click the new connection and enter Workbench, always running a test query first. After that, we can adjust the layout. With this, we have installed MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. On Arch Linux, we avoid the version issues seen on Ubuntu. That's all for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you in the next video.